I'm gonna tell you today in Amsterdam how we used the different tools, where we came from when we started with the team. And you see that here on the left. We were ranked as 12th in the world of Sustainable City Index. And what you see is that we have to do in 2018 more about the planet and the profit. 6, 7, 8, 9, that's the people one. Below here, you see space usage, quality of the space, well-being of the people, and social relevance. Also, how to get there, and all the investment have to improve really bit. If you see all this, we have to do really much. And normally, if everything is on one, then your suburb is perfect. But you saw we have to do a lot. And you see here the suburbs, roads, plant street, green, and urbanizing. And everybody wants to live in. And we always say, if you live longer, be healthier, and be happy. That's the ultimate goal for people who want to live in a city. An energy plan. So here on the left, that's the more industrial area, what a lot of offices have. And this is the existing already houses. And what we will do, everything we build new. That's on the left of the train, where the train is going here, the go gear. So everything is electrical, and that saves a lot of bad fuels for the people to live, but also it's better because we don't use fossil fuels anymore. Okay. We looked in the underground, and we have almost a similar underground like in Indonesia, and we have a really good like heat and cold network underground. If we drill with an OBA system, we can use that really good.
Well, there's a big question about that, because when we're changing to sustainable energy, at least then you will need more electricity depending on kind of warmth plan you have, but also other kinds of pipes, and instead of what we use for heating gas. But we also talk about underneath the streets. So the definition of public space in that sense is much broader in these transition areas. And actually we designed it as well. We're working on a library now, 3D. So that actually you really see how much water it can catch and amounts on which time frame, and what does it bring for shade, what does it bring for biodiversity, what brings it even in the infrastructure.
And that is what I understood from Richard. If I see at this presentation, there are a lot of buildings now implemented already, are adapted for the new goals, energy neutrality, water management, and of course the subsoil. I also heard that a lot of awards now for the things that you are doing together. Can you tell me a little bit about that? Because that's really exciting actually.
Very not organized, and then I don't know how the operators can, or the technician people can fix this one, because
I saw that Joyce was not much different, only that was underground.
All the new buildings we built in the beginning about 1,000 to 3,000 apartments, and now we speed up to 3,000 to 5,000 apartments every year in our ground development. And the people also see that. On the other hand, we won the People Prize for the apartment Me Also. So the people of the Amsterdam chose that one of the best buildings in 2021. And also something else, we built the head office of one of the banks in the Netherlands, ING, and that was also built 40,000 square meters